All right, so today we will be installing our new CTS turbo intake. So I'll unbox this one piece and then we'll head outside and I'll pull everything apart and show you it. Oh yeah, looking nice. Oh, fuck. All right guys, so the first step to this, what you wanna do is you're gonna come over here to your O2 sensor. You're gonna pinch from the top and just walk it backwards and it'll come straight out. Now yours might be a little harder, but it's okay. Now you come over here, take these out, get these all undone so your airbox can slide out nice and easy. Make sure it's loose. This grommet right here, press out of that. Take a screwdriver, come over here, it's one flathead. Loosen it up. And your whole air intake system should just plop out like that. All right, so what you want to do when you get the old box uninstalled is take your grommet from here, take it off, and put it in your new tube. It'll make the process 5 times easier. So now that you have that installed, you want to put together your heat shield, and this lines up with 3 bolts. The little flange on the bottom of this small piece goes on the bottom of this big piece, and then that goes on the side. You put it in like so, and it sits kind of like that. All right, so now that you got your heat shield put together and everything ready to go, you want to come over here and to undo this T25 screw. It's 1 screw, just undo it. Pull back, lift that up, put that down, and then see this bolt right here, right there you're looking at? That's where you're gonna remount your heat shield to. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got the heat shield installed. We got the, whatever the fuck that is, reinstalled. Now what we need to do is mock up this piece right here, and then get everything else put together, and I'll be back when that's done. And just like that, we have everything installed. So I went ahead and tightened everything up. Everything is looking good. Not much movement when I shake it. Everything should be cool, and oh my God, it looks amazing. But we're not here for the looks of it. Let's get in here, see how this thing sounds now. Oh yeah, I coated it to do the Bentley. Oh, that sounds so good. Oh my God, guys. That sounds so mean. I'm in love with it. Let's go for a ride and I'll give you my reactions when I get back. Holy shit, boys. That thing sounds so good. If you have an N55 motor, that is a must buy. Jesus. Peace.